Hey, girlfriends, and welcome back to Coconuts, home of the Long Hair Society. And we got a society member sitting in a chair right now who swore up and down that if I gave them a silk press, that they'll be able to manage their hair a lot better. Well, this person is my sister. She told me, "Oh, girl, give me a silk press because I can't manage my hair right now. It's too thick for me. I can't really do the natural curly coily thing right now." So, girl, this looking more like a cotton press or some type of linen press, but this ain't no silk press. Like, look at this. Her hair done reverted back so much. The roots are so thick. It's right back in this condition. And on top of that, because I use a thermal straightening system from a popular professional brand, if you guys remember, now her scalp is inflamed and experiencing some type of allergic reaction. I did kind of expect that to happen because she's been on this natural journey using my natural products for years. And then for me to up and use some type of strong ass products on her hair, yeah, her hair had a whole attitude problem. So we're going to get her back on track. I am going to start detangling her hair, get her hair shampooed, give her a treatment, and try this silk press thing one more time, but with a twist, okay? So right now, I'm just putting my Main Magic Elixir in my water bottle because you know I don't be handling hair when it's dry because I ain't trying to break nobody hair. Always make sure you moisturize somebody's hair, and the only way to moisturize is with water. But remember, you got to use that soft and conditioned water because you can't be using no regular water on your hair, okay? Natural hair don't play that, okay? Natural hair is from Beverly Hills. It is not from the hood. It wants some nice bottled conditioned vitamin nice water. So head to coconuts.com and get you a softener, a conditioner for your water. That way your hair can enjoy a good drink. Right now, I'm just trying to see if her hair is going to revert back fully. Well, it's definitely going to do that because I already started reverting. Like, look at it. But I'm going to make sure I hose this hair down. I want to make sure I get every strand nice and moistened and wet up before I start to detangle it. Now, make sure I get in those roots, I get those ends, and try to get every single strand. Try to be gentle because remember, the hair is already in a compromised state because it was straightened and it's dry. So you don't want to do any popping to it. So you got to make sure you get it really wet before you start really handling it and doing any sections or anything like that. Today, I'm going to try something for the very first time, and I have a feeling that it's going to work. I hope it works. And before I tell you guys to do it, disclaimer, don't try this until you see me do this a couple of times and I come back and tell you guys that it works, okay? I am going to use natural products from start to finish in achieving a silk press. I want to see if you can avoid using these products that has all these ingredients in it and just use natural products to achieve a straightened look. I want to see if it's going to be healthier for the hair long term. I'm going to see if it's going to prevent any heat damage and if it's going to help with hair growth, most importantly. Now I'm able to work on my first section, and I'm just going to continue to wet the hair down before I bring out my Main Magic growth sauce. It's my detangler. I use this to actually give me a lot of slip so I can detangle someone's hair because I like to use a natural product that's going to help remove any buildup, start oil pulling and cleansing the hair, and is going to help me get through these knots and these tangles. Now, even though I did give her a press out in the last service, I made sure to tell her not to use the comb on a daily basis because even if your hair is in a straightened state, you still don't want to do too much over manipulation. Make sure you only use this growth sauce on very damp hair. That's how you're going to get it activated, and that's how it's going to work best. It comes in oil form, but if you want it in more of a solid lotion-like form, just put it in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. Now that I got this growth sauce on, I am able to start finger detangling the hair, and I'm starting to see her curls come back and start reverting. She has quite a few knots and tangles in her hair, so I'm going to take take my time and finger detangle her hair. I'm also going to do a hot oil treatment on her hair and put her under the steamer because we want to give this hair some extra love in TLC. Just because you start the natural long hair journey does not mean you have to continue it in a coily, curly state. You can still be natural and choose to wear your hair in a straightened state. It's okay. You just have to do things the right way and make sure you do it a healthy way for your hair. Don't be doing too much. Don't be using too much high heat. Don't do heat too often. Make sure you are taking all the extra added steps to keep your hair healthy no matter what type of texture you choose to wear your natural hair. My sister decided that she don't want to do the whole natural coily, kinky way no more. She's been doing it for years and she just feels like she will feel more comfortable and it will flatter her and her lifestyle more if her hair was in a straightened state. So I'm helping her on that journey, making sure she do it in a healthy way and trying to train her hair because there's a big difference between having heat damage and having a heat trained hair. Some people will assume that you don't, because you don't have defined curls anymore, that your hair is heat damaged. No, it's just heat trained, which means that your curls are going to be a little looser, and that's only because your hair is being trained to stay straight when it's in a straightened state. But I'll get more into that over the next couple of weeks the more I do her hair. After I get her hair detangled about 80%, I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and I'm going to debud her roots. I'm going to be dragging down any roots that's been tangled up close to the scalp and bring them down. She had a baby about 4 months ago, and if you guys seen my postpartum hair loss video, then you know that it's around that time where she'll probably start losing, not probably because she already did start losing some hair strands. Now her baby did take a little bit of her edges out on both sides and it happened like overnight. So I'm making sure to get as much of any shed hair that might be trapped inside her roots or throughout her hair. So I'm just going to bring it down and do a detangling of her hair. Her hair is still nice and thick. It's reverting well. And I'm just making sure I get all shed hair out and just examining the hair's condition. Now I'm going to grab my hot oil treatment because this hair going to need a treatment. This is the ultimate protein treatment. It's perfect for the hair. It contains oil like mustard seed oil, almond oil, frankincense oil, so many wonderful, potent, pungent oils. Like, it smells like it works. Trust me. And I'm going to put that on the scalp, the ends, and the hair strand. And then I'm going to put her under the steamer. This really makes your curls pop and it really strengthens your hair to help with any hair loss or future hair breaking. Y'all, excuse me. I don't know why my tongue's so heavy today and I keep stumbling over my words. But anywho, now I'm going to make sure I do this process throughout her entire head and get her hair nice and detangled. As you can see her parting is a little wide as it gets towards the front. And like I said, her baby then took some of her edges, honey. But it'll grow back within like 2 months. It'll be back. So she is kind of stressed about it. But I'm like, girl, don't worry about it. I told you this was going to happen. And it's fine. If you want to avoid that happening to you, make sure you stay up on your protein intake. Make sure you're still on some great vitamins because you had to share so many of your nutrients with your baby and you're probably depleted. So she ain't do that. So she lost a little bit of her hair. So now she's under the steamer for at least 30 minutes. You can do a little bit longer or however long your scalp can handle this hot steam. And once she's done, I'm going to use my Main Magic natural hair and scalp rinse. It comes in a tea bag. It's made with herbs and roots and flowers and seeds and oils, and this thing lathers up. It comes in a mail in this wonderful, convenient applicator bottle. That way you can get into your sew-ins, your protective styles, and get straight to your scalp. And one tea bag will shampoo a lot of hair, and it gives a lot of sud. This is only natural ingredients from the earth. Some of these ingredients in there, you can even use this just to make tea or anything, but this is for your hair. Don't be drinking this now. Me and my clients and my customers and my family members, we used to use regular traditional shampoo. And once we switched over a couple years ago to natural shampoo, we noticed a big difference in our hair's thickness. It just makes your hair a lot thicker once you switch to shampoos that are from the earth that contains a lot of roots. It like gets your hair nice and thick and rooted and strong. It still cleanses your scalp gently, but it doesn't remove all the natural sebum, which is your natural oils, off your hair, which is great. And you'll still feel your hair feel squeaky clean, but it won't be that dry. So you won't need conditioner. You can just go straight into using leave-in conditioners and using your oils and your moisturizers that you love to use, and just go straight into styling. Right now, I'm going to blow dry her hair. I'm using this expensive Dyson hair blow dryer system, and I'm gonna do a review on it so you guys can see, because it's all over TikTok, and yes, it cost $600 and I bought it. So I'm going to use that in her hair, and I'm going to be using it with the Magic Growth Oil. Her hair loves babassu oil, it loves castor oil, so I'm gonna be using that to blow dry her hair and straighten her hair today. You can use this, or you can use the deep nourishing oil, which I call the blow dry oil, but this will work just fine. Actually, I'm testing it out on this video to see if I can straighten with just this oil. It's a wonderful thick oil, and I highly recommend you grab this oil if you want thick hair, if you want your hair to grow very long. This is a must-have from the main Magic product line, so get you some. I'm only using a little bit, and I'm focusing it on the ends and the mid shafts, and her scalp looks a lot better. I'm going to continue to work on her scalp because, like I said, it had some type of allergic reaction to those strong products that I used last time to give her hair a press. So now I'm using this Dyson blow dryer with this comb attachment, and it's like a Denman brush, and I'm just blowing through her hair, and I'm liking the shine on her hair. I'm loving how soft her hair feels. I feel like when I tried using those other products, those store-bought products on her hair was just feeling a little stiff, like it had a film on it. After I blow dried her whole head, now I'm going to use the flat iron. I'm not using such a high setting, and I'm giving her some flat iron curls as I go through it, and I'm loving the shine that's going on. I'm loving how soft her hair feels, and I'm like, why didn't I think to use natural oils to do her silk press before? Like, this looks so much better. It's so much lightweight. The last time I pressed her hair, to tell you the truth, I couldn't even show you guys fully because it was still so stiff. But honey, compared to the last one, I'm going to put it side by side so you can see the difference in just using natural products to silk press your hair. Look at the bounce, look at the shine, and I'm so confident that this is going to help the health of her hair much better on her thermal heat journey. So I'm going to put some anti-itch scalp therapy drops on her scalp because I told you her scalp was, you know, a little sensitive from all that crap we used on it the last time. That's why I tell you guys to switch to natural products, because sometimes those other stuff is just unnecessary, and a lot of your scalp problems might be because of an allergic reaction to your products, your shampoo, your styling products, your conditioners. So just switch to Mother Nature because she has everything. And remember, this is your hair journey, and you can do whatever you want with your hair because long hair is your destiny and big hair is your birthright.